And it's taped. Cut down. Ooh. Hold on. Cut away. You know, I did a, 13-minute video last time. I think I could beat that. I'm at 4 minutes. That's okay. So there are a lot of crazy comics that are coming out. And, man, I don't know if I can do this. It's been a while. Oh. Strange Academy, #1. The Breakfast Club variant. This is a 1 in 50. And I wanted this so bad. And I didn't want to pay the hundreds of dollars for it. Let's see, this is mint. I'm probably going to send this to get graded soon. Like on Friday, I'm going to send a bunch of Venom comics off to get graded. I was going to wait to get done in case to sign those. I want to get Scotty Young to sign this so bad. Like if you scroll back through my Instagram, you'll see that I've met both of them multiple times. And I haven't even read this, and it's like my favorite comic ever. The Breakfast Club. I love homage variants. So I have those Scout Comics malls with all the 80s movies, and this is going to go right with it. And I'm going to make a wall when I get to my new place. Strange Academy #1. Oh, yes. Yes. Check it out. This one is totally sealed up, so I will do that last. Alright, I got a priority mail 2-day. This one was shipped 4 days ago, so on the weekend. Let's just go ahead and see what I got. You know, my biggest fear is getting COVID from cardboard. No, I'm just edit that out. I won't. No, it really is, because I saw that it lingers on the box for days. Yeah. Shit. Oh, man. Fork out. What is this? I just talked about it too. Now I sound like a hypocrite. It's not that I hate slabs, but you can't open them up. Check it out. Got some free bubble mailer. This right here is worth the shipping alone. Oh, check it out. We got the first appearance of Carol Danvers as Captain Marvel. Alright, so this one has a comiclink.com sticker on the back. This is Avenging Spider-Man #9. Let's see why. Okay, so there's some spine ticks. And yeah, I don't care. I have it. I didn't even get this when Captain Marvel was announced, or at the end of Avengers Endgame, or Infinity War, you know? Like, I didn't even get it. I wanted it. I've always wanted it. But this is, shout out to Simple Man's Comics and Mr. Polo, Jack DeMaio, for having this on the down, I think. The 3 ups, 3 downs, and this was on the downs. And yeah, I got this for a lot cheaper than it was a few years ago. So I love this cover. I've always wanted it. I do want the second print more, believe it or not, because that would be cool to get signed and sketch for Mark. Alright, this one is from Comic Talks. This one's been just sitting in my closet for almost a week now, because this was from last Tuesday's auction. Let's see, how do I want to open it? Like that. And oh yeah, he's the one that actually boxes it up. Box, maybe. This is the one that I shouldn't have bought, but I wanted to support the IG comic fam. I just didn't need this. I don't need it, but I wanted it, so I got it. So check it out. The right way. Blue tape. Oh, dang. I was number 2, the top 2 buyer. I got the Akira Yep. Should have been top 1 buyer, but I pussed out. Alrighty. So I got some stickers, the Comic Talk stickers, and I know exactly where it's going. I'm sticker bombing my computer desk. I'd show you the rest, but my room is a mess. Yes. Alright. Blue tape, so this won't take too long. I'm excited about those Comic Talk stickers. Bend. Hopefully it's not an expensive one on the outside. Because I think I bent it. Dang. I got 4 Comic Talk stickers. One's gonna go on my motorcycle. Alright, which one did I bend? Oh, that's okay. I already have this. And it was just the backboard. Spider-Man #1 from the Marvel Now. The Grail in a Mylar. Can you guess what it is? Hip hop variant. Miles Morales. Or what? Ultimate Comics #1? Oh no, it's Spider-Man #1. Don't even know my comics. Spider-Man #1. Hip hop variant. Nas. Oh, that's a good one. That one's going in the vault. The vault. What else? I don't remember getting this, so it's a bonus. Spider-Man #7. Ultimate Comics Spider-Man #7. And I think I already had that. Hip Hop Variant by Humberto Ramos. It's Spider-Gwen #1. Ooh, the Pokemon card. Riolo? Who's that Pokemon? Alright. Another sticker for my sticker bomb at Drew Detroit Comics. And the free book, Akira #1. I'll read it. I'll read it. Alright. Dang, this was $3.95 back in the day. Alright. 12 minutes in. Do I do a separate video? Get this one on the next one? No. It's just... What a waste of tape. I swear I have a dagger somewhere. Just kidding. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That didn't get on the bubble wrap. Dang. Maybe this has COVID on it. I forgot to see who it's from. Let's see. Somebody's real name. So it's probably from Facebook. Jeez. So I have no excuse of saying that it came back damaged, I guess. All these stickers that are on the tape, I wish I could keep. Spider-Man, Superwoman. Shit. Oh shit. Did you see that? Okay. Alright. Should have just ripped it. Alright. Damn. Okay, this is annoying. This is fucking annoying right here. Jeez. Alright. Be right back. Alright, that'll probably been another 2 minutes. I kind of got it. Let's see. I got a comic that's stuck to tape. Let's see what this is. Oh good, it's just a Bloodshot Reborn pull box preview. That's cool. Alright. Crap. Oh, and Exo Mana War. And I gotta throw all this away. Alright. Old Guard number 2. First print. Old Guard number 1. D print. It's third printing. Cover D. I actually like it. And Old Guard number 2, cover C. Old Guard number 5, cover B. I thought this was the first print. No? It looks like the first print. That's got to be the first print. Let me know in the comment section below. And Old Guard number 4. So I now have Old Guard 1 through 5. Didn't spend $150. And I got that Miles Morales hip-hop variant. And first appearance, Captain Marvel, Carol Danvers. So let me know in the comment section below. Am I throwing away my money? Actually, no, for real. I'm gonna try to get a grail every month. Just one grail instead of having a million books on my pull. Until I get all my grails, and then I go back, grab everything on the pull that I missed, and then maybe start a pull back up next year. But other than that, that's all I got. I'm looking forward to seeing what I get next. See you at the next stop.